Hello and welcome to another episode of How to Eat Like Me. Now it's a special time of year. It's Easter, so everyone's celebrating the birth of Easter eggs. This is one I bought in Lidl. They're $1.49 normally, but with the Lidl Plus card you can get them for 99 pence. Probably the last year that you'll be able to get the... I'm stroking Fluffy, not myself, by the way. So yeah, anyway, for £1 you can get one of these. But I'm going to see how much I can make for a similar amount. Granted, it's going to be slightly more expensive, but I think you'll agree with me that it'll all be worth it. So you start by getting dark chocolate. This is the Simply brand, the cheapest. Well, it's not cheap. This is still 75 pence. Already 3/4 the price of an actual Easter egg. But you can get a lot more from it. Because here is milk. Now this is full fat milk, which you then dilute down. It's a lot better value for money than the skimmed and stuff like that. Cadbury's in particular always used to advertise that they had one of these in their chocolate. So I'm still sticking by that proper recipe. But that's not all, because as you can see, this has little things inside it. Now I'm not particularly partial to Smarties, so I've gone and got my fizzy rainbow belts to put inside my chocolate. And that's not all either, because of course dark chocolate isn't known for being that sweet. Neither is milk. These are all right. So I've got some sweeteners as well, because I'm on a diet. And so hopefully by combining all these ingredients, I will create this magical formula that will produce a superior version of this. Let's begin. So here's my bowl. And I am going to start by getting the chocolate. I'm going to start by putting the sweetener in actually, because that should be enough. Close enough. I will add the chocolate. And don't bother breaking it all up. There we go, 100 grams of dark chocolate. On second thoughts, yeah, do break it up. Now add the milk. And put this in the microwave for, how long do you think? 3 minutes? Moment of truth. Delicious. Now, if I just get my spoon and oh yeah, now that's really nice and thick. Yeah, look at that. You know what? It even smells of chocolate. This is boding really well. Fantastic. Nicely mixed. Oh, look at that, it's steaming up the screen. That shows that I've microwaved it properly. So I've been deliberating how to make the shape, and I think I found a solution. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so with these 6, what I'm going to do is to freeze them all and then piece them together as like a cube. I think that's probably the best way to do it. Ideally, you'll want to have enough space in your freezer before you attempt something like this, because it turns out I don't. Balance it right in the... Nah, it's not going to work. Oh, shit. Fuck. So I've decided that maybe I don't need all 6 sides, and I can just maybe do something with 4. So if I just pour all this into this can be like the base of it. So that can be the base of my Easter egg. Right, let's see how the chocolate's doing. It has! It's worked! There's the 4th. Now I just need to figure out how to get them off these plates. So if I now put this in boiling water, no. What about more boiling water? Oh, it's melted again now. Well, okay, so that one kind of hasn't worked as intended. So for these remaining 3, I'm just gonna, I don't need to scrape that one off because that's the base anyway. So these are, so anyway, I'll put my contents on the base like this. And then I will scrape this off and put it on top. And there you have it. So for 99 pence, you can get one of these, or for about £1.40, you could have this instead. I know which one I'd rather have. So let's try it. Moment of truth. It's not bad. Is it lovely? It could be worse. Now, to try this and see how it compares. I'm not sponsored by Smarties, although if anyone from Smarties is watching and you're looking for an influencer to represent you, I am currently free. They're both pretty good. I'd probably say it's like a tie. Although these are pretty good inside, whereas Smarties are, you know. Anyway, that's another How to Eat Like Me. Smash the subscribe button.